In section 7.1, you're going to be asked to find the critical value. This is read Z alpha divided by 2. That's just a subscript. It's kind of giving you the location or what they want there. So that corresponds to the given confidence level of 88%. So if your confidence level is 88%, that's going to be 0.88, then your alpha is the complement of that, or what's remaining. So you do 1 minus 0.88, so that's going to be 0.12. Now if you draw the picture of that, you've got your bell curve. Remember, a bell curve symmetrical about the mean, so centered on each side you're going to have like 44% and 44%, but the 88% is going to be in the center, and your tails are going to be equal. So you're going to have half of alpha in each tail. That's where the alpha divided by 2 comes from. So each alpha is going to be 0.06 if your confidence level is 88%. So that is where the Z alpha divided by 2 is coming from. That is wanting the Z scores here and here. Now this one, the Z-score here will be negative and this one will be positive, but they'll be the same. Now to find those Z-scores, you should use the same methods as we did in the last chapter. We're going to go to StatCrunch. Now, let me go back to my picture real fast. I want Z alpha divided by 2, so I want this score. So when you punch that in, you're going to have to do your mean and standard deviation stay 0 and 1, and you're going to have 0.06. And you either need to change this to greater than or equal to. So you are looking at the top 6%, or you have to do 1 minus the 0.06 and leave it as less than or equal to, so you're doing the complement. They'll both give you the same score. So say if I left this as less than or equal to, that would be 0.94, or that they give you the same Z-score. So my Z-score there will be 1.55, and generally you round those to 2 decimal places. So my Z alpha divided by 2 is going to be 1.55.